He gave him some bananas to eat. Very soon he developed a great love for ripe bananas. We used to keep large plates of fruit on a table near a window in the dining room. One day, all the bananas on that table disappeared, and my family blamed the servants for eating all the fruit in the house. A few days later, the fruit disappeared again. This time, the blame was put on me, and I knew I had not done it. It made me very angry with my parents and the servants, for I was sure they had taken all the fruit. The next time the fruit disappeared, I found a banana all smashed up in Kari's pavilion. This surprised me very much, for I had never seen fruit there, and as you know, he had always lived on twigs. Next day, while I was sitting in the dining room, wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table without my parents' permission.
Okay. So I'm going to explain this. After 2 pages, I will ask you questions. Okay. So here, for instance, one day somebody gave him some bananas to eat. So as you know that beta, elephants eat bananas and sugar cane, है ना? So he just ate bananas one day. Very soon he developed a great love for ripe bananas. So he just used to love those ripe bananas. Okay. We used to keep large plates of fruits on the table. So it was the habit of the parents of the narrator that they used to keep lots of fruits on dining table, like we people do sometimes. Okay. So he said that one day all the bananas on that table disappeared, and my family blamed the servants. Okay. So suddenly something disappears. Generally, what we people do, we just put blame on the servants. Okay. So next time again the bananas disappeared, and then blame was just given to the narrator. Okay, a few days after. Then it made me very angry with my parents and the servants, for I was sure they had taken all the fruits. So the narrator was very angry. Obviously, अब आपके घर पे आप पे सारे नाम लगा दें that you have taken all the bananas, you will be feeling angry, right? So he was feeling angry, and he knew that servants had stolen those bananas. The next time the fruits disappeared, I found a banana all smashed. Smashed means destroyed. Okay? So all smashed banana in Kari's pavilion. So he saw one banana, and now he is doubtful that maybe Kari is stealing all the bananas. Okay? Next day, while I was sitting in the dining room wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table or not without. So the narrator is, a very good boy, and he's just waiting for his parents so that he can take permission from the parents to eat fruit. ठीक है. Now किसको बोला था बेटा मैंने next? I think देवांग को बोला था and Akshara. Akshara, please read till kill all of us. Next page. Then Devang.
Ma'am, kill all of us.
Yes बेटा यहाँ तक. Yes बेटा.
Today, while I was sitting in the dining room wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table without my parents' permission, a long black thing, very much like a snake, suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. I was very much frightened because I had never seen snakes eat bananas, and I thought it must be a terrible snake that would sneak in and take fruit. I crept out of the room and with great fear in my heart ran out of the house, feeling sure that the snake would come back into the house, eat all the fruit, and kill all of us.
Yes. So finally, he noticed one black thing coming out of the window, and he couldn't see anything else. So suppose that you are sitting far away and you are just watching your dining table or drawing room for far away, and you just feel that there is one black thing coming on the dining table. So at once you will have that feeling that there is snake, है ना? So he couldn't see the elephant. He just saw that black long thing. Actually, it was the trunk of the elephant. Okay. So it came through the window and disappeared all the bananas. So he just took all the bananas and he just ran away. Okay. So he thought that there was snake. Okay. Terrible snake means horrible snake. Okay. Horrible. And that would sneak. Sneak means to enter. So he thought that it would enter the house and kill all of us. Okay. So he was very much nervous and he just went out of the room and he ran outside. He thought that there was snake in the house. Okay. Next is Devang. Devang, please read the next paragraph.
As I went out, I saw Curry's back disappearing in the direction of the pavilion, and I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. I ran after him into the pavilion and found him there eating bananas. I stood still in astonishment. The bananas were lying strewn all around him. He stretched out his trunk and reached for one far away from where he was standing. That instant, the trunk looked like a black snake,
Okay,
and I
that's it.
realized that
That's it, beta. So, as I went out, I saw Kari's back disappearing. So, Kari was just running, hurriedly to his pavilion. Okay? Then he saw him. Then I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. So, he thought that there was snake inside and he went to Kari. Okay? Then I ran after him into the pavilion and I found him there eating bananas. So, he was, बड़े मजे से वो क्या कर रहा था वहां पे बनानास खा रहा था अपने ठीक है so I stood still in astonishment. Astonishment means shock or surprise. So he was so much shocked and surprised, okay, when he saw Kari eating bananas. The bananas were lying strewn. Strewn means spread in all direction, okay? So the bananas were lying here and there around him, okay, here and there, strewn. So all around him, he stretched out his trunk and reached for one far away from where he was standing. So when he saw narrator he just went to another side ठीक है अब उसको पता चल गया कि मैं पकड़ा गया हूँ ठीक है that instant the trunk looked like a black snake so he thought that कि मैंने जिस trunk को black snake समझा था actually it was Kari ठीक है on the dining table so next one is Jasmeet after reading this page I will ask you questions so get ready okay Jasmeet are you there please unmute just Jasmeet okay Harmeet complete the paragraph better
Okay. That instant, the trunk looked like a black snake, and I
realized.
realized that Kari was the thief. I went to him, pulled him out by the ear, and joyously showed my parents that it was Kari and not I that had eaten all the fruit these many weeks. Then I scolded him, for elephants understand words as well as children, and I said to him, next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be wiped. He knew that we were all angry. He never stole another thing from the dining table, and from then on, if anybody gave him any fruit, he always skilled as if to thank them.
So, beta, now next one is I realized that Kari was the thief. ठीक है? Now author came to know that. I went to him, pulled him out by ear. जैसे हम बच्चों को कान से पकड़ते हैं ना, so similarly he did that thing and he joyously showed my and joyously means happily. So he was happy that he had caught the thief, okay? And उसको elephant बहुत cute लग रहा था by eating the bananas जो उसने steal किए थे. And he just showed him to his parents and it was Kari, not I, that had eaten all the fruits. Okay? Then I scolded him. So obviously, when children do some mistake, ठीक है, जितने मर्जी cute लगे, but we have to scold them, right? So he just scolded him, and elephants understand the words as well as children. So elephants are very intelligent. Okay? Elephant actually is an intelligent creature, and it understands. Okay? Whenever it does mistake, it knows that I have done mistake. Okay? So next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be whipped. Whipped means hit hard with a stick or whip. Okay, to hit hard. So he said that I will say, hit you hard if you next time you will steal the bananas. I knew that we were all angry with him, even the servants. ठीक है, servants को तो गुस्सा आएगा ही because the whole blame went on them, so they were very upset. Servants also. His pride was injured. Pride means he was proud of himself, है ना? Elephant. Injured means डैमेज. ठीक है, तो अगर आप चोरी करते हुए पकड़े जाओ तो व्हाट विल हैपन, योर ऑल प्राइड, योर कॉन्फिडेंस, इट विल जस्ट गेट डैमेज्ड. सो सिमिलरली एलिफेंट्स प्राइड आल्सो इट गॉट इंजर्ड. ठीक है, he never stole another thing from the dining room, and from then on if anybody gave him any fruit he always squealed. Squealed means to make a sound. ठीक है, he used to just say thank you in his own manner. So next little paragraph I'm going to read, then we'll discuss. I'll
Ma'am, I
ask you
have a doubt.
questions. Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ask Vijay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of tiptoe?
What is the meaning of
Tiptoe.
tiptoe? Tiptoe means beta. For example, आपका हाथ कहीं पे नहीं जा रहा है, you have to get that thing, है ना? तो जो you just stand on your tiptoe, ऐसे पैर की toes के ऊपर आप खड़े हो जाते हो थोड़े से. That is called tiptoe. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
So next is little paragraph. An elephant is willing to be punished for having done wrong, but if you punish him without any reason, he will remember it and pay you back. So अगर तो उसकी गलती है, it will accept. ठीक है, but if you are just scolding him without any reason, so it will definitely take revenge. वो एक दिन आपसे बदला जरूर लेगा इस चीज का. Okay, so this was the little paragraph. Now I'm going to ask you questions, then we'll start the next part. Okay, so try to close your books. I will ask you question. Okay, Savya. Savya, how he, this is actually your question number 6 also. Kari helped himself to all the bananas in the house without anyone noticing it. How did he steal bananas? In what way? How
When
he
he
used to
stand out,
steal? Mhm.
he stand out of the window and he sent his trunk to the table to eat bananas.
Okay, he used to stand outside the window and with his long black trunk, he used to take the bananas. Okay, well done. Next one, beta, this is your answer number 6 also. Okay, he used to stand outside the window and with his long trunk, he used to steal the bananas. Okay, so next is Karthik on my screen, then Gorish, then Jasmine. Okay, one by
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
So my next question is, the blame was given to whom when the bananas disappeared?
Yes, ma'am. Firstly, the blame was given to the servants that they had stolen the fruits. And secondly, the blame was given to the narrator.
Exactly, the narrator. Okay. So next one is Gorish. Gorish, when narrator noticed a long black thing coming out of the window, so what he just, what assumption he made? So what did he think about it?
The assumption is made by the narrator that he thought that there is one black snake that is stealing all the fruits.
Yes, that is stealing all the fruits and that it will kill them also. Okay, next is Jasmine, you were there, but you disappeared like bananas. Okay, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubh, my question is, when he went to the pavilion, what did he notice? When the narrator went to the pavilion, what did he notice after this incident, stealing of bananas?
Ma'am, he noticed that ma'am, Kari has stole the bananas from the dining table.
Okay, which thing, Jasmine, made him realize that Kari had stolen all the bananas? What did he actually see there?
He saw the covers of banana and Kari was also eating some bananas.
Yes, he saw that bananas were lying here and there around Kari, and he realized that Kari was the actual thief. Okay, next one is Akshara. Akshara, what
Yes,
will
ma'am.
happen? What will happen if you will punish the elephant without any reason?
The elephant will The elephant will get angry also. He can just leave the house as there is no fault of the elephant.
Okay, he will leave
मैम
the
आपने
house.
स्टोरी में
स्टोरी में से हर्षिया. हाँ जी बेटा, हाँ जी. Yes beta, from the story. Yes Harshia, what will happen if you will just punish him without any reason?
Then next he will remember it and it will pay you back like in his own manner.
Exactly. So it will definitely pay you back. He will remember the this unnecessary scolding, and it will definitely pay you back. Pay you back means it will definitely take the revenge. Sorry, who's speaking?
Ma'am, he will get frightened.
He will not get frightened बेटा. बिना बात के उसको डांटोगे. It is written there है ना. He will definitely pay you back. Pay you back means he will remember it, और वो जैसे उसको मौका मिलेगा he will definitely take its revenge. ठीक है, वो अपना बदला ले लेगा आपसे. Okay then, who will read next? Akshara got turn. दिवान को कितनी बारी टर्न चाहिए? Let me find Jasmine Kaur. Jasmine, where are you? Your video is off. Unmute, please. Jasmine. No one is ready to read. No hand is raised. Chalo, Shubh. Yes, Shubh. Read it, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Next page, time तक. ठीक है?
मैम कहाँ तक?
Next page till time. Time के बाद question mark डाला हुआ है in the first paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
please.
ma'am. Kari learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took him 3 weeks to learn.
बेटा इसके ऊपर वाला paragraph. An elephant must be taught.
An elephant must be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast, and when to go slow. You teach him these things as you teach a child. If you say dhat and pull him by the ear, he will gradually learn to sit down. Similarly, if you say mali and pull his trunk forward, he will gradually learn that it is a signal to walk. Kari learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took time. It took him 3 weeks to learn that he was no good at sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Because he grows taller and taller who than you who take care of him, so that when he is 2 or 3 years old, you can only reach his back with the ladder. It is therefore better to teach him to sit down by saying that, so that you can climb upon his back. For who would want to carry a ladder around all the time?
Yes. So now beta, something different is there. Listen to me very carefully. ठीक है, I'll ask you question again. An elephant must be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast, and when to go slow. So what kind of things should be taught to elephants? How to walk, okay, how to sit and how to stand, all the things. You teach him these things as you teach a child. So similarly, है ना, like a child. So if you say dhat, ठीक है, dhat is the command that they give to pull him by the ear. He will gradually learn to sit down. Dhat means sit down. ठीक है. So they will now teach him how to sit down. Sit down. Whenever they will say dhat, he would sit down. Okay. So gradually means slowly. ठीक है. He will slowly learn to sit down whenever he would hear the word dhat. Okay. Next one is similarly, if you say Mali, he will just pull his trunk forward and he will gradually learn that it is a signal to walk. So to walk means Mali. Okay. Again, Dhat means sit down and Mali means to walk. Okay. Kari learned Mali after 3 lessons. So walk तो उसको बहुत जल्दी आ गई. ठीक है. After 3-4 lessons, he just learned how to walk. But it took him 3 weeks to learn dhat. Abhi sitting wali position hai, that he took 3 weeks to learn. Okay. He was no good at sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Now he is giving the reason. he is giving the reason that elephant should sit down because they are so much taller. ठीक है, they are so tall in height that you will need a ladder every time to reach its back. अब किसी को अगर उसके ऊपर बैठना है तो हर वक्त वो ladder लेके तो घूमेंगे नहीं साथ में, right? So he said that they are such a tall creature that we have to just teach them how to sit down. ठीक है, it is therefore better to teach him sit down by saying dhat so that you can climb upon his back. So obviously every time you can't take ladder with you. ठीक है, yes, Puranjay and Raghav. Raghav,
Yes,
Puranjay
ma'am.
is sitting beside you. His name is Puranjay, na? I remember.
Ma'am, no Pranjay.
Pranjay. Okay. There is one Puranjay also in 7C, so I mixed up the name. Okay, Raghav, you have to read the paragraph.
Okay. The most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. He generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound as if a snake and a tiger were fighting each other. And you have to make that kind of noise in his ear. And do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him a master call? If you are lost in the jungle and there is no way out and everything is black except the stars above, you dare not stay very long anywhere. The only thing to do then is to give the master call and at once the elephant pulls down the tree in the front of him with his trunk. He frightens all the animals away. As the tree comes crashing down, monkeys wake from their sleep and run from branch to branch.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
You can
So next, I would ask Harshia. She was raising hand. Is she here? No. Okay. So Raghav, you can continue, beta. You can see them in the moonlight. Are you there? So Adgun, chalo complete kar do beta. Last one, page 14.
Yes,
You can see them.
ma'am. The most difficult thing.
Next page, beta. Last page of the chapter. Chota sa paragraph.
Okay. You can see them in the moonlight, and you can almost see the stars running in all directions below. You can hear the growl of the tiger in the distance. Even he is frightened. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree, and the next and the next. Soon you will find that he was made a road. He was made a road right through the jungle straight to your house.
Okay. So last call is the master call. This is the most difficult one. Okay. So wait, I mute everyone. Yes. So master call, he generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. Okay. So Dhat call after 3 lessons, Mali call after 3 weeks, but master call he takes 5 years to learn. Okay. The master call is a strange hissing. Hissing is the sound of snake, and howling is the sound of wolf and tiger and lion. These type of they make these type of sounds at night especially. Okay, as if a snake and a tiger were fighting. You have to make this kind of noise in his ear. Master call ka beta kya hai command? In his ear you have to make the hissing sound. Ab sabko pata hai hissing sound of snake and the howling sound of tiger and wolf. Okay, you have to make that sound in the ear of the elephant, then he will feel that there is danger around him. That is the master call. Okay, so ye kyun sikhate hain? Now reason is given. Do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him a master call? If you are lost in the jungle, suppose the owner of the elephant has been lost in the jungle along with the elephant, then there is no way out and everything is black except the stars. So we can just see the stars only, otherwise there is no light around. You dare not stay very long anywhere, so you can't stay in the forest because animals will definitely kill you or they will eat you for sure. Then what will happen? You dare not stay very long anywhere. The only thing to do then is to give the master call. At once the elephant pulls down the tree in front of him with the trunk. तो वो क्या करेगा, जितने भी उसके सामने ट्रीज आ रहे हैं, he will just uprooted them, he will just pull down the tree. This frightens all the animals, so all the animals will get frightened, even the tiger also. So whenever the animals hear so much lot of noise like this uprooting of trees, they will never come near you. Okay. So all the animals will get frightened. As the tree comes crashing down, monkeys wake up, they sleep and run from branch to branch. So all the animals will run away from you. Then you can see them in the moonlight, and you can almost see the stags. Stag is the deer, beta, male deer. Okay, stag. So stag means male deer. He will just run in all direction. You can hear the growl again, a deep sound of the tiger or lion. Okay, growl. So even he is also frightened. So whenever the animals will hear this destruction of trees, they will definitely run away from there and they will never come to you. Okay. Then is the next tree. The next tree again. Now अब वो ऐसे trees को उतारता ही जाएगा, elephants, and he will make one road, and you can just go back to your home. Okay. So this is the chapter. Now please close your books. I will ask you questions. We don't have much time. 5 to 6 minutes are there. Okay. So first one is Kanav. Kanav, please unmute. Are you there, Kanav? Okay, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavya, my question is, tell me the commands for to sit down and to walk. 2 commands.
Ma'am, the command to walk down is the Mali, and the other command to sit down is Dhat.
That is the command to sit down. Okay, well done. Next one is Chehek. Check how much time
Yes,
the
ma'am.
elephant, how much time the elephant took to learn Dhat and to learn Mali.
Ma'am, Mali in 3 lessons and Dhat in 3 weeks.
Exactly, well done. Next one is, who's there on my screen? Let me find out. Okay, Devang is there. Devang, unmute. I think I unmuted someone else. Yes, Devang.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, which is the last lesson that is very difficult to learn?
Master call.
Master call. Okay, how much time beta it takes?
5 months.
You sure 5 months? Then why it is difficult?
Ma'am, 5 years.
5 years, exactly. So Karthik, why it is important to teach the elephant to sit down?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is important to teach the elephant to sit down so that as the elephants are very large and tall creature, so that when we have to sit on the elephant, we should easily sit on it, as we cannot always take ladder with us.
Exactly, exact answer. Well done.
And ma'am,
So,
I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बेटा, you can ask.
मैम, जो कल आपने इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डिस्कस किए थे ना मैम, उसमें जो फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है उसका एक बार आप आंसर रिपीट कर दो, मेरे को उसका आंसर नहीं पता लगा दो.
Ari was a baby. This is on page number
Yes, ma'am.
10. Page number 10. एक ऑरेंज लाइंस लिखी हुई है ना, उसके नीचे वाला छोटा सा पैराग्राफ.
ओके मैम.
Okay.
थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome. So Kari was like a baby. He had to be trained this whole paragraph. Okay, next one is next one. Let me see. जिसकी turn नहीं आई. Savya, Gaurish, Jasmine, Argun. Okay, Jasmeet is raising hand. Jasmeet, when I better unmute you, you are not doing so. I tried it initially also. Jasmeet. Again, you are not doing so. Okay, then who are raising hand, I will just ask them question. If you are not interested, then why should I ask you? You have to raise your hand if you just tell me the answer, okay? So Akshara, unmute, then I will ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
So Akshara, my question is, why it is important to teach elephant a master call?
It is important to teach elephant a master call, as if he if if
If
the
you are
elephant
lost,
get
Mhm.
if you are lost in the jungle, then the elephant, then the master call is made by making the hissing sound in the elephant's ear, the sound of an lion, and then the elephant will think that it is danger around him. Then he will through all the tree by his trunk, and he will make a road from the jungle to the house.
Okay, fine. Okay. So everyone, now you can please open your book. Okay. We'll discuss question number 7 and 8. 7, I think we have already discussed. Bhavya has already told us that Dhat is the command to sit down and Mali is the command to walk. Okay. So seventh answer is this one. So dhat is the command to sit down. Okay, the one has to give a dhat command if he or she wants the elephant to sit down, and second is mali to walk. Okay. Okay, next is what is master call? It is given on page number 13, paragraph second line. Let me open it. Yes, this is beta. This the. Yes, Adgun, you can speak up.
Yes, ma'am. The master call was a strange kind of hissing like a snake and howling like a tiger. It sounded like a fight between a snake and a tiger. The sound had to be made in the elephant's ear. It was necessary signal for Kari to uproot trees and make a passage through the dense forest for the house.
Okay, fine. So the master call is a strange hissing and howling sound, okay, as if snake and tiger are fighting each other. This is master call. So why it is important, you can always write in your own words, okay. So I'm going to unmute every student one by one. If you want to speak up, answer why it is important, then you can speak up quickly, okay. So because we have no time left actually. So Savya, yes, Peter, jaldi se.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Ma'am, it is important signal for elephant to learn because if the elephant is lost, then he will make the master call and we'll able to find him.
We'll able to find him, okay. Uh, okay, who's the next one? Devang. Savya, you have to include so many things more. अच्छा चलो गौरिश पहले. Yes, Gauresh.
Yes,
Then
yes, ma'am.
Devang. हाँ
पूरा आंसर एकदम स्टार्टिंग से बता दूं.
हाँ जी बेटा quickly.
Okay, ma'am. The master call is a strange hissing, howling sound as if a snake and a tiger was fighting each other. And it is important because it is important signal for an elephant because if one is lost in the jungle and there is no way out, the only thing is to do then is to give the master call. At once the elephant pulls all the trees in front of it one by one with its trunk, and it makes a good way to leave the jungle.
Okay, fine. Devang, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now you can speak. I'm just taking attendance meanwhile. And the second part, beta, you can do in your own words. Or you can simply write from book. Why it is important to teach master call. Yes, Devang, quickly, beta.
Ma'am, it's same like Gaurav.
It's same like Gorish? Okay. So you can make your own answer. If you have different, then you can last time raise your... हाँ जी बेटा, हाँ जी, you can ask your question.
मैम जो टेंसेस की एक्सरसाइजेस करनी है वो पास्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर टेंस और प्रेजेंट टेंस तीनों चैप्टर्स की करनी है ना बुक में?
Yes बेटा, बुक में तीनों की करनी है. You can take
और
time.
आप
I'll share near the exams. ठीक है? You can just do at home for 1 week, then I'll share it. ठीक है? Okay. Yes, Karthik, your answer, and other student, you can leave the meeting if you want. I have taken attendance. ठीक है? I'm just going to listen to his answer. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it is the most important signal for an elephant to learn because if an elephant is lost into the jungle, it's important for him to do the master call because so that no animal could attack on him, and an elephant could defend him and safely go to its home.
Yes, exactly. Could defend. Okay, well done. So make your answer in your own words. This last question is your homework. Okay. So, okay, then you can join your next meeting. It's already 28. Take care, beta. Bye.